Let's move all these scooters out of the way. All right, open the counter. All right, so. All right, it's time to announce the winners of the giveaway. We got Landon here in the background. You guys remember in the giveaway video, he said he wanted to do the drawing, right? You want to do the drawing? All right, so what are we giving away, Landon?
Glasses?
Glasses? No, we're not giving away glasses. It's right here beside you.
Oh.
A Silverado? No, I'm not giving away a Silverado. What are those? No clue. You have no clue, dude. Bolts? Yeah, we're giving away bolts. And those bolts come with leveling kits. So we give you the free bolts and then we throw in the leveling kit also. So we're giving away 3 of these lift kits for any 2007 and up. Silverado, Sierra, blah, blah, blah. You know the deal. So the entering is closed and I haven't liked any more comments. So if you've commented now, it's too late. If your comment has a little red heart beside it that says that I liked it, then you're entered. If not, then you got in too late. So we added a 3rd set to this. You can see this leveling kit right here. This is the 3rd set that we're giving away. It is used. It's off of my truck. But there's nothing wrong with it. So why not give it away? So there's going to be a 3rd winner of this one. All right, so now we got another person that's in the giveaway with us. Leaman's going to do it with us too because he wanted to be part of it because his brother was. So, and Landon's got a Sharpie. All right, so I think there ended up being 134 comments minus my replies, so it's 130 comments. So what we're going to do is the boys are going to choose 3 sets of numbers, all between 1 and 130. And whatever that number is, those are the 3 winners. So here's what I want you guys to do, okay? You ready? Landon, you're going to go first. I want you to pick a number between 1 and 130. Wait, don't tell me it yet. Don't tell me it yet, okay?
Okay.
You got your number?
Yeah.
All right. Leaman, I want you to pick a number between 1 and 130. Don't tell me your number, okay? Okay?
I have it.
Okay. Landon, what's your number?
130.
130. Nice. Leaman, what's your number?
53.
53. All right. 130 and 53. Those are the 2 winners. And the 3rd winner we're about to do right now. Here's what we're going to do. The third giveaway winner, we're going to have him write the number on the back of this with a Sharpie. Let's see if it works. Definitely works. All right.
Let me see it.
You ready, Leaman?
Yeah.
Nothing on there, Leaman? I want you to write a number between 1 and 130.
Wait, is that it?
Yeah, that's the end you're right with. All right, I'm not looking.
Can I tell Landon?
Yeah, tell him. But I can't see her and hold my eyes forever, so hurry up. Between 1 and 130. I can hear him whispering. You got it?
Got it.
All right, here we go. Tell me what the number is. Show it to me. Show it to me. 129. I don't think you could get more random than that. All right, so the winner is 130, 129, and what was your first number?
53.
53. So 130, 129, and 53. Let's get to the comments and see who won. All right, so it's time to check out and see who won. We've got 130. Leaman, what was yours?
53.
And then Landon, what was the other one?
130.
And 129. 129. So 130, 129, and 53. Let's see who gets it. Odin Olvera, comment number 53. Let's go to his page and see if he is subscribed. Odin Olvera, let's see here. Subscriptions. Leaman Griffin, right here. Bam. Okay. So Odin Olvera, you are the first winner of our leveling kit giveaway for your, let's see what you said on your comment. It was like 2000. Oh no, where'd it go? It was like 2019. There it is. My RST ready for that leveling kit. Odin Olvera. If you guys haven't already, head over to Odin Olvera's channel and subscribe. How many subscribers has he got? I don't know. Let's subscribe to him. Bam, subscribed. So Odin, to prove that you're you, I want you to go to your channel and screenshot where I subscribe to you. Send that to me on Instagram at Leaman Griffin and send me your address and we'll ship it out to you. So let's get on to the next winner. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There's only 120 comments. Must have been more replies than I thought. Okay, so 129, so there's 120 comments total, so 129 and 130 are invalid numbers, which means you guys got to pick 2 more. Oh, dude. So Odin Olvera is the first winner, comment number 53. And now we got to pick between 0 and 120. Landon gets to pick one, and Leaman gets to pick one. Don't tell me what they are yet, okay? So here's what we're going to do, okay? Since 129 and 130 weren't subscribed, or we didn't have those comment numbers, we're going to pick two new numbers, okay? We're going to pick between 1 and 120, somewhere in between, okay? It could be at the bottom, it could be at the top, it could be in the middle, wherever you want, okay? You got markers? All right, is everybody thinking your number?
I got my number.
You got yours? Landon, you got yours? All right, write them down. Don't say anything, just write them down. 90? Is that yours?
Yeah.
Leaman?
4.
That's a backwards 6.
Oh.
I thought that was 24, but you said 64. So that's 90 and 64, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, here we go. Let's see what's up. There you go. Odin Olvera, 53. So that's number 53. 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. Is that right?
Yeah.
All right, here you go. 64. Paul Michael Castillo. Awesome news. Can't wait until Friday. Let's hope I'm luckier on this giveaway. I missed the last one by one number. Well, Paul, you didn't miss this one by one number because you are the second winner of the 2-inch leveling kit. So here you go, Paul Michael Castillo. Let's go to your channel. Let's click subscribe. Now, Paul, I want you to go and give me a notification. Screenshot the notification where it shows that I subscribed to you, and then send that in a DM to me on Instagram at Leaman Griffin, and then we'll confirm and then send me your address and I'll get it shipped out to you. So the third winner, this one's the used leveling kit. It's nice and clean. I'll wash it before I send it to you, but it doesn't come with a box or instructions. It is a leveling kit, so it's not that difficult to put on. So let's go. What was the number? Landon, what was your number?
90.
90. All right, here we go. Let's find number 90. So let's go find Paul, right? Mm-hmm. That's because we know he's number 64, right?
I see Paul.
There's Odin. There's Paul. So that's 64, right? Mm-hmm. So now we're going to go 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Nice. Steve Mertz.
Steve.
Would love to level my 19 Silverado. Watch most of your videos. Actually used your grill removal video to help complete my first mod.
Ooh.
Well, Steve, this is your second mod now because you just got a leveling kit for your, I'm not sure what kind, but it's a 19 Silverado. So let's see what I said. Reply. Awesome, thanks. Cool. So Steve Mertz, I'm going to go to your channel here. And we are going to, there you go, Leaman Griffin. See, oh yeah, he is. No, that's not Ryan. That's Combo Panda. That's somebody else. So he's probably got a kid. So Steve, I'm going to subscribe to your channel.
Combo Panda.
So screenshot the notification where it says that I subscribe to your channel and DM that to me on Instagram at Leaman Griffin. And then we'll confirm and then send me your address and I'll get it shipped out to you.
No, 64.
And you're the third winner. So there you go, guys. That's the 3 winners for the leveling kits for the 2007 and up Silverado. And keep an ear out because in the next couple days we're going to announce our next giveaway video. Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you get notified when I put up new videos, especially new giveaway videos. We'll see you guys and have a happy Black Friday.